Welcome back. We are renovating our kitchen on a really tight budget. I will link the first video in this project up in the cards above so you can get caught up, but here is the before when we moved into this house about 2.5 years ago. So there are many things that I did not like about this kitchen, but one of the main things was this countertop. It's rusting, it was painted over with a couple layers of paint, and the paint is now flaking off, and it's really incredibly hard to keep clean. Fortunately, a friend from church, Tim, came over and put in new laminate countertops for us, which was very exciting. We did pay for the materials, but Tim gifted the labor in exchange for some IT support from Rob.
I'm putting in his work to do.
He's gonna glue you to the wall with that.
I got a good shot.
Look at these really neat finds that Tim uncovered when he was doing the countertops. Looks great.
I was gonna hook the plumbing up, but I can't.
Don't get mad. I'm fixing it. Wash my hands in our new sink. First test. Also, I'm doing IT work all day. I only did this for 5 minutes. You ready? It's like a ribbon for this area. Now we get up here.
And they're glued this time?
Most of them. There's still a couple I need to do. Hello?
We're gonna see what's under the ceiling wallpaper.
We are not planning anything. We're just doing it, okay? This is how Rob makes progress. Lindsay's willing to try it out with no plan because she likes progress.
Ooh, it's so moldy.
Is that mold?
Yeah.
So maybe it's not mold.
It's mold.
But maybe it's not.
Old mold?
Moldy moldy.
It's definitely mold.
Yeah, this is our food room.
That's paper.
This is paper. Oh, there's a hole there?
This wallpaper took forever to get down. I think we've been working on it for the past 2.5 years. We've lived here just in batches here and there, but there was 3 layers of wallpaper and then 1 layer of painted metal tiles that were a pain to get off. did come back to help us out some more with some demo. He took down this metal security grate that was over the window that we couldn't figure out how to take off. He also helped to demo some trim and got us started with our new backsplash. I did spend several hours bleaching and scrubbing all of the walls and all of the ceiling to get rid of any of the remaining mold. So here's where our kitchen is at right now. A lot of progress, but it looks like a really hot mess. Stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any future kitchen content. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!